Yes, but I believe.
They are over there, come out now. They fan, I'm gonna give us this book record.
Okay. Okay. Provide the picture.
See, this is to go for.
Congratulations.
Somebody came for me. Not that came. Somebody came and said she wants to find out where the Muslim is talking. Please excuse us, please. Please.
National Applied Sciences, we have Dr. Uduaghan.
I myself can go to the extent of doing PhD. I give God the glory. It's marvelous in our eyes. To me, I don't know how to appreciate God and how to thank people, especially my lecturers, my friends, and my husband, who has stood by me, who has encouraged me that if others can do it, you can do it. I will support you. That's my husband for you. And my children are not left out. They say, Mama, show us the way that we will follow you. And that's okay. My husband is a doctor. Why not me try and see what I can do so that the children can follow suit. So that's how I go through it. It is quite tough. It's quite challenging, but God see me through. And especially, I give glory to my friends, my two friends, who went there and bought me the form, who is always by me. After the lecture, then we come to the house and lecture me, which is Dr. Temple Daniel Ofo. And Precious, Dr. Precious Benoit. They are wonderful people. I can't forget them on the joining because they are the best. They are the first to push me through. Then Nigerian women, which is my constituency, I just feel that no age is limited to education. Be you old and be you small. Even if you are young, you can do it. Try, you can do it. And no matter how old you are retired, you can refresh your brain. You can refresh your brain. you can go further and further and further and refresh your brain. So, to me, I will tell the Nigerian women and the youths, which is our children, that please, no age is limited. Try your best. If your mama, Mrs. Jonathan, can do it, you can do more than Mrs. Jonathan.
Thank you.
That, and also to tell you that I am there for you. My office is at Wuye, Abuja, where I can counsel you, I can give you an advice, both you politicians, both you married women, both you youths, but whoever you are, come, I will counsel you for good and for any challenges that come across you. I am there for you. Thank you, and God bless you.
Well, that exactly is what I was just saying, that it shows that it is never too late to achieve whatever that is your dream. No age, whether you are a youth, you are an elder, you are a woman, you are a wife, because she has crisscrossed every strata of our society. She was a civil servant, permanent secretary, deputy governor's wife, vice president's wife, president's wife, and yet she is able to bring herself together to come and answer it. She was able to bring herself together to read at this stage and to achieve what she has achieved. I mean, it's very commendable, and it's an encouragement for every person, women particularly, youths, elders, that every dream is achievable as long as you are ready to make the sacrifice. Yeah, so I commend her, and I mean, advise every person to pursue their dreams, no matter the time, no matter the circumstances. Thanks.
Thank you.